Hello, my name is Mary, and I am the knitting designer and podcaster behind Kino Knits. This is going to be a video tutorial that shows you how to finish binding off in the round so that your bind off looks nice and seamless. I will show you on this version of my Glory and Worsted cowl, but you can use it for any bind off in the round. This, of course, has not been blocked yet, thus the curling. But here is my bound off edge. I have bound off in the round all the way around, starting here and around, finishing here. I've got my last stitch here, which I've pulled kind of big so I don't lose it, and I've cut a tail to work with. So first I'm going to thread the tail onto a tapestry needle. Now, this last stitch, we are going to overlap it and sew it into place with the first stitch that we bound off. And we are going to sew to duplicate the second stitch that we bound off. So how do we do that? First of all, I'm going to pull this a little tighter, and you can see how it's going to overlap that first stitch, and I will sew the path to follow this second stitch. So to do that, I'm going to take my tapestry needle, come up through the stitch, and again, follow the path of that second stitch. So it comes up, it's going to go under the legs of the third stitch, and this will start to make more sense as you start tacking things into place. And then it's going to go around the outside and back through the center of that last stitch slash first stitch. And then you just want to pull everything not too tight, but so that it's about the same tension as all the other bound off stitches. And there you have it. Now it looks completely seamless, like a seamless chain of stitches. You have a little bit of variation here underneath, but that's not terribly noticeable, particularly on this cowl where the edge is meant to roll. And then you just weave in your ends right here as you would for any other project. So that is how to bind off seamlessly in the round. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Some of them are specific to projects, and some of them are just useful knitting skills to have. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.